There are multiple ways to fix cracks in your basement. As mentioned, the FlexiSpan crack repair system is the most efficient, cost-effective, and reliable solution for your wet cracks. Some of the other solutions that we have found is excavating from the outside. One of the reasons why we do not recommend excavating from the outside is that it is very cost prohibitive. You have to get rid of any landscaping, any decks, any sidewalk that might be in the way before you excavate. And then you're simply patching from the outside, which over time we have found that those patches are not reliable and you will end up with a re-cracked solution. Another way of repairing a crack from the inside would be a polyurethane injection. Again, we have found in our calls that the polyurethane injections, they do not last and they will re-crack based on freeze-thaw cycles, wet-dry cycles, and movement of your concrete wall. Does not allow them to adhere to the concrete well enough. Another solution would be an epoxy resin injection. So that's when they take metal pins and stick it into the crack and then fill it with an epoxy resin. So an epoxy is a very hard substance that once it's dried, it does not allow for any movement. Well, unfortunately, the concrete does move throughout the seasons and throughout wet-dry cycles. So those epoxy resin injections will tend to re-crack and re-leak, and you will end up with a wet basement again.